Okay, so this is my follow-up review for the Chapin 4720, which is this unit right here. And so I got it installed, and it's not working well. So this unit uses this quarter-inch, whatever clear plastic hoses that is really not doing the job. As you can see, it's leaking water right now, and when it's not leaking water, it will actually leak all around here. I've tried to tighten it with this device here as much as I can a couple of times, and it's still leaking all around. So I called Chapin, and they offered me to send me a replacement. But I told them I don't think it's a problem with the unit itself, but it's actually a problem with the design. And sending me a new one is not going to fix this issue. So by the way, I'm not sponsored by Chapin. So this is just a system. If you didn't watch my other video, this is a system that I bought because my wife would like to put mosquito pesticide, well not pesticide, mosquito insecticide inside this device to deliver mosquito killer solution all throughout the yard, and that's the reason why we got this. So this is supposed to inject liquid into the sprinkler system, but it doesn't work. So this, if you watch my other video, I had an unboxing of this particular system, and it's supposed to work. Well, I got it all installed, specifically designed this piping system just for this particular device, and I probably have to change a whole lot of things and buy something else because this thing does not work. There's not a lot of pressure. This is just regular city water pressure, but it's not enough for this stupid plastic pipe. This is clamped according to the clamp that the manufacturer recommend, but you can see it's still leaking. So yeah, this is a bad system. I don't recommend it. I'm probably going to end up filing a complaint. I bought this at Amazon. I'm probably going to return it.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel to see more do-it-yourself video like these and support my channel. Thank you.